This here is the Knox knot. So, sick and tired of losing fishing lures all the time. Some of these are pretty expensive. Run it through the hole once. Run it through your eyelet. Then you're going to take it, wrap it around these two fingers so that you have a loop. Take the tag end, wrap it through the loop 3-4 times. Now, since this is YouTube, I'm not going to piss on it like I normally do. I'm just going to lick it. Pull the tag end out. See how that knot starts to form right there? Then you go back, grab your fishing pole, grab your good line, and cinch her up tight. Oh, and try not to stab yourself with the hooks. Once she slides, she looks like that. Cut this end off, or bite it off. You're good to go. There you go. That's what she looks like. Pretty, pretty.